Report hai. These are Dr. Lal Path Lab reports. Chalo kar kya chumbar kya chumbar. Hemoglobin chi kam. Hemoglobin chi 10 namat इसी काम पाक पाक फटाफट पाक रोड थोड़ा सा काम छी बाकी फटाफट ये क्या छी लिपिड प्रोफाइल छी लिपिड was HDL छी sorry क्या ठीक everything is excellent मैं fat छी good HDL go good HDL is good this lipids good cholesterol so that is green vegetables fruit this is good this is 51 go jaan chu good go jaan it is pansa it is more than 50 jaan chi good chi lipide fat chi theek acha then we are having kidney profile creatinine you just see creatinine is getting from 1.17 so it is getting better and then use alkaline phosphates no problem it shouldn't thought khas ke cheez so kidney profile is also getting better 1.17 previous it was 1.65 now one cheez urine is completely no infection no problem everything urine cheez sorry urine sample then what else is there tale yahan par wo kya HB1AC 3 month sugar is 5.2 so it is less than 5.6 this is excellent sugar 3 month sugar is excellent then sugar chi bad jaan 5.0 and then this is 100 this is 118 this is fasting sugar you sanna bad asul sugar morning sugar is very nice so you have to be acha now T3 T4 TSH chi kya 6.2 oh that is great slightly higher but T3 T4 is good thoda sa chi thyroid thoda sa chi zyada small thyroid is on the higher side so this is the complete na thoda sa slightly so the date of the test is 20/11/2022 because you are doing so much yoga on the yoga bed with yoga bed otherwise you would have been on the hospital bed bas first class was I right